If you are thinking of starting a sachet water company, or if you are already into the company, or if you started not so long ago, then this video is for you. Then I want you to pay attention to the things I'm about to share with you. They are very crucial and relevant and will help you to succeed in your production journey. So the number one thing I want to stress on is your colors. If you are coming out with colors for your logo, I would like you, or I would prefer you add red color to your colors. I'm saying this because most buyers like brands with red colors in it. I have no idea what it stands for. Per observation and research, a lot of buyers prefer brand with red colors in it. So if you are choosing colors for your logo for your pure water production, remember to add red color in your brand. The next thing I want to share with you is your nylon. If you are choosing the texture of your nylon, I will advise that you choose from 35 to 40. This will help you to make more produce. We all know that the nylon is very expensive nowadays. So if you are choosing a texture for your nylon, I would recommend 35 to 40. And this will give you more produce, and it is very flexible during production. Another thing I want to stress on is this regulator I'm showing a picture on the screen. Do not under any circumstance touch this regulator. After an operator has set it to a maximum standard, do not touch it without you knowing what you're doing. If you have no idea its purpose, you can ask your operator and they will give you any necessary insight that you need to know. It is connected to your RO system. I will advise that do not for any reason touch it, but this regulator is a pivot to the quality of your water taste. If you touch it without you knowing what you're doing, you will lose your water taste and you will start losing customers. Remember also to wash the membrane in your RO system in every 4 months if your company or your business is for a commercial purpose. If it is a home-based company for family use only, you can do 6 to 8 months. But if your business is for a commercial purpose, then it is recommended that in every 4 months you wash the membrane. You call for operators to come and help you wash your membrane. This will help the lifespan of your membrane, because it is the membrane that makes the RO what it is. Without the membrane, we have no RO. So remember to do that. The last thing I want to stress on is riders. If you are not lucky and you get bad riders, your company is likely to collapse. So in choosing people to work with, there are certain qualities that you need to consider. Look for someone who doesn't drink alcohol, someone who doesn't smoke weed, someone who doesn't like making more friends, someone who means business and they want to make meaning out of life. I'm saying this because riders or bad riders like telling stories. At the end of each trip, they can tell you that this number of bags got spoiled. Meanwhile, they've sold it into their personal coffers for their personal gain, and there is nothing you as an owner can do about it because you are not with them. So it is always appropriate to assist them with someone closer to you. Let a person serve as a cashier. The person will be collecting your money for you anytime on a trip. The rider's job is to do the rounds and help offload the bags to a customer. So if you're choosing riders to work with, you need to be very careful and look out for certain qualities before you bring them on board. So guys, this is all I have for today. If you find this video helpful, give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, do so. If you have any comment, leave it down in the comment section. Stay tuned to this channel for more relevant content like this. See you in another video.